In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add bank account in Odoo. To begin, you will first need to open the right part of the system for banking and payment information. In Odoo, bank details are typically handled under the accounting area. So, start by going to accounting, or in some setups you may see invoicing instead. This is the section where Odoo organizes financial records, invoices, and related accounting configuration. As you navigate, keep an eye out for the menu items that clearly mention accounting, invoicing, or finance, since the wording can vary slightly depending on how your instance is set up. Once you are inside the accounting or invoicing area, you are ready for the next step. Look for an option specifically called Bank Accounts. This is where you can create new bank account records and where Odoo will store the details you enter. When you click into Bank Accounts, you should see a list view. If you already have accounts entered, the list will show them. If this is your first time configuring bank information, the list may be empty or show only a few default entries. Take a moment to confirm you are in the Bank Accounts screen, because that ensures you will be entering your information into the correct place. Now that you have opened bank accounts, you will connect or start the bank account creation process. The instruction here is to connect, which usually means you either open the Create form for a bank account, or you click the option that initiates linking or adding a new bank account record. On screen, this typically looks like a button that lets you add something new, or a connection step that prompts you to input banking details. Follow what you see in your interface and proceed until you reach the form where you can enter the bank details. Next, enter your bank name, account number, and bank identifier code, often referred to as BIC. The bank name is the name of your bank as it should be recognized in Odoo. Enter it carefully so that accounting staff can quickly identify which institution the account belongs to. Then enter your account number. This should match the account number used for transactions and payments. Make sure you use the correct digits and formatting because these details may be referenced when printing payment instructions or when reconciling transactions. Finally, enter the bank identifier code, also known as BI key. The BI key is used to identify the bank in international contexts, and it helps ensure that payments can be processed correctly through the proper banking channels. As you enter these values, it helps to double-check that each field is completed as expected. If any of the fields provide examples or formatting hints, follow those hints so your data matches the system requirements. Also, take your time with the account number and the BIC, because small mistakes can cause delays later when you match bank statements or process payments. After you have entered the bank name, account number, and BIC, you are ready to finalize the entry. Click Save. This step is important because it confirms the bank account record in Odoo and stores it in the system. Once you click Save, the page may refresh, or it may take you back to the bank accounts list. Either way, you should see your new bank account reflected in the list, or view details showing the information you just entered. If anything looks incorrect after saving, you can usually go back and edit the record, but it is best to review immediately so you catch issues while you are still on the form. That is it. You have successfully added a bank account in Odoo by going to Accounting or Invoicing, opening bank accounts, entering your bank details including the bank name, account number, and BIC, and then saving your changes. That covers everything you need to know.